Woo! Happy birthday for you, Travis! Firecrackers right here, guys. A lot of firecrackers. A lot of firecrackers.
Okay, Trav, go
Water
ahead.
and firecrackers.
Got it?
Yeah. Is that one good?
Yeah, you're good. You just don't need to. We just don't need to pick it up with smoke.
Want me to do it for you, Trav?
Yeah.
Here you go. I'll do it for you.
God damn.
Don't bring your fingers on. Don't bring your finger.
No, Trav. Remember where I showed you?
Oh, yeah.
You want to do
Let
it?
him do it.
Let him do it.
Alright.
Yeah. Talk about that too. Who's that right there?
Yeah, it's red. It's a white one. There you go. You got it back. There you go.
Good job, Trav.
Woo. Damn, this is going.
That couldn't be it.
I have a feeling. No. I have a feeling it's not over yet. It's still. Oh shit, Chris.
Fuck, man.
Seriously.
Amazing
That
fruit.
was disappointing.
A little bit.
Oh, that one didn't go off? No.
Did you peel the paper off of it? That's why.
No.
Oh crap! You know what?
It's all still good.
That's what it's supposed
Hey, W, you're supposed to peel the paper off.
to do. You didn't let yours
Don't you dare run me over. I will sue your ass. No, I was kidding. Well, guys, do not do this at home either. Do not do this at home, guys.
Oh, yeah. They're neon.
Oh, fuck. That actually got me.
Nope. No. Okay.
Oh, that was a light fuse. Whoever sold Savannah these things are fucking retarded.
Robert.
No, I'm just kidding, not really. Alright guys, here goes another one. Please do not do this at home again.
Like they start so slowly.
Ouch! That freaking hit my hand.
Oh, wait. Jesus.
Light fuse, son of a guns! Light fuse! Damn, this is so cool. We're getting fireworks. Woohoo!
Here. Here, Junior.
Oh! What the fuck?
They are not neon and it's pissing me off.
Wow.
I know. I thought it was gonna be like.
It was supposed
I
to
mean,
be.
they are neon. They just don't glow neon.
They were supposed to fucking glow neon.
And plus, you pose it right in the dark. Wow, this is so fun. Chris, you're freaking retarded. That's Chris for you.
Get back.
Oh shit. Guys, do not do this at home. It's Fireball.
See the thing, the string.
I don't think
hanging out on
he
top?
just can't balance himself and get all that shit.
You
I
do it?
got it. God damn it, Trav.
This-
I blame,
People, do not do this at home.
I blame your eyes, Bobby.
Two glasses on.
What does this do anyway?
Like, no.
Oh,
Do not do this at home, guys. Do not do this at home. Okay, people, do not do this one at home. I'm saying this twice in a row.
Burn your thumb.
Fireworks for home though.
Right there. It's right there. You got it.
Go, 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 go. Run, 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 run.
Good job, Zachy.
He ran like a mofo. Trav, I'll give you $5 if you jump.
I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it. Want me to do it? Want me to do it? I'll jump. Want me to jump? No. It's
Chris will give you 20. You want to try to light another one, Trav?
Guys, do not do this at home.
So that right there is what you like. Okay? Just wait.
Ooh, someone's a little scared.
Don't get too close, guys. Ow! Ow. That one got me a little bit. That one hurt a little bit.
Let me do this one, Trey.
So, please, if you have any comments, leave them at the bottom and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Peace.